All right, so we're going to wrap up notes for Unit 8 with a pretty short presentation over acids and bases. We're going to talk about some characteristics. We're going to revisit the pH scale. We'll do a little bit of practice with some acids and bases. So some characteristics of acids, so they form hydronium ions when dissolved in water. Litmus paper is going to turn blue litmus paper red. Acids have a pH that is lower than 7. Acids are going to react with metals in some shape, form, or fashion. Acids typically have a sour taste. Think about lemons. And when acids and bases react, the products are salt and water. So bases form hydroxide ions or OH minus ions when dissolved in water, and they're going to turn red litmus paper blue. So bases typically have a pH, or they're going to have a pH higher than 7. They're going to have a bitter taste. They feel slippery for the most part, their texture. And when acids and bases react, the products are a salt and water. So think about baking soda, soap. There's some oils that are bases. Really, the baking soda is one of the ones most commonly used base. So household acids. Okay, so car battery, of course, is going to contain quite a bit of corrosive acid. Lemons, oranges, vinegar, any of your citrus fruits are typically going to be acids. Vinegar is, of course, an acid. Milk has some acidic properties, and so does white bread. Baking soda is probably the most common household base, along with soap, ammonia, drain cleaner, shampoo. Can be basic and glass cleaner. So here's the pH scale, and you can kind of pause and you can see um, some common examples of different acids and bases. Where one of the most strongest acids being the battery acid. Stomach acid is just a little bit weaker than battery acid, so battery acid is pretty strong. One thing you can see here is lemon juice is pretty acidic. It's a 2 on the acidity scale, pH scale. Black coffee is acidic. That's why it does the damage to the teeth. Also see right here Pepto-Bismol. Of course, pure water and blood is neutral at 7. Liquid drain cleaner is pretty acidic here. You see bleach, oven cleaner is pretty basic, not acidic. And so this is a pretty interesting little chart right here. So this is the end of the presentation. Again, pretty short. There is a form that goes with this, so please complete that form when you get a chance, and we'll move on into the practice with acids and bases. If you have questions about any of the characteristics of acids and bases, please let me know. Thank you.